Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Public Service Loan Forgiveness, PSLF. Start by confirming your employer qualifies and gather your loan servicer account, loan types, and payment history. Complete and submit the employment certification form annually and whenever you change employers. Switch to an income-driven repayment plan if needed, and make sure all 120 payments are on time and under eligible. Begin by verifying your employer and loan types clearly before you act. Contact your benefits office and ask for employer EIN and official organization name for the form. Log into your loan servicer portal and review loan types and repayment plans. If you have Federal Family Education Loan Program loans, plan to consolidate into direct loans first so that payments will count toward PSLF eligibility. Keep diligent records and track every qualifying payment to avoid surprises at forgiveness time. Request employer certification annually and anytime you change jobs, and save a copy for your files. Review your loan servicers, count and resolve discrepancies promptly by providing proof of employment and payment history. Staying proactive prevents delays and ensures those 120 payments are properly credited when you apply for final forgiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.